Join the fun, it's animal rhyme. We've got our friends and sunny time. Let's clap our paws.
In the deep blue ocean where the waves roll free lies a happy blue whale as big as can be. She flips her tail and dives down low, then leaps through the water with a splish and a glow. Blue whale splash, 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 make the ocean dance with a happy splash. Flip your fins and swirl around, make a splash that shakes the sea all around. She sings to the dolphins with a bubbly little tune, gliding and twirling beneath the moon. The fish all swim and shimmer with light, joining the whale in a dance so bright. Blue whale splash, 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 wave your tail and make a big dash. Dive down deep and rise up high, spray the sea with a joyful cry. The seahorses sway and the turtles glide, all in the ocean side by side. Even the crabs tap their tiny claws, cheering the whale with little applause. Blue whale splash, 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 sing your song and make a splash. Twirl through bubbles, glide and play, dance in the ocean all through the day. When the sun sets low and the stars appear, the blue whale floats calmly near, dreaming of splashes and watery fun, ready to leap again with the morning sun. Blue whale, rest in the ocean deep, close your eyes and drift to sleep. Wake up tomorrow to swim and dash and